We got some Eddie Rabbitt in the building. This is I Love a Rainy Night. Me too. I ain't gonna lie. I love the rain. People think the rain is depressing. To me, it's relaxing. All right? But let's hop into this.
So when the metal hit his mug, he just sunk in place. 100K holla, chill in Bahamas. Come home to your crib and throw in your mama.
What is good, HollaSquad? We are sitting down today. That's crazy, right? I've been standing up a lot. I had to sit down. You know what I'm saying? I am on 1 HP at the end of the week. You know what I'm saying? I stayed up way too late last night. But I made it. All right. Never would have made it without the squad. Yes, sir. Listen, before we hop into this, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We got some Eddie Rabbitt. All right. I love a rainy night. I love gray skies, rain. You know what I'm saying? In the house, dark, no light shining through the window. I love it. All right. As long as I have everything I need inside the house. Because, like, if I got to run and get some food or some groceries or a person, then I don't like the rain, okay? But if I get to be chilling in my house on a Sunday afternoon, bring Poseidon. Oh, that's the ocean. That's the ocean god. Who controls, what Greek god controls the rain? Bring it on, all right? Zeus. Zeus controls lightning. Whoever controls the rain, send it through, all right? But let's hop into this.
Got it.
You got it.
I do. The girls always get this real quick. You know. Some of the guys out there look like me. They're kind of looking around. Yeah, I got it. Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. Makes me feel good.
Facts.
Well, I love a rainy night. It's such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face. There's the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows.
Uh-huh.
Showers wash all my eyes away. I wake up to a sunny day 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. Makes me feel good and wet. Yeah, I love a rainy night. It's a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face. Taste the rain on my lips. It's raining in this place. In the moonlight shadows. Shadow. Put your song in this heart of mine. Put your smile on my face every time. I love
The rainy night.
yeah, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Ooh, play the lead.
They got the solo coming in.
Showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day 'cause I love
Love a rainy night. Love a rainy night.
I love a rainy night.
The acoustic guitar.
Let me hear you all say, oh, you can do better than that now. Come on.
Bro, everything my man is mentioning in this, the lightning, the thunder. I remember when I used to be scared of lightning and thunder as a child. I remember that. All right. But I've come a long way. Okay. And now I encourage it. The only reason I don't like lightning is because one time lightning struck and it disabled the Bluetooth in my PlayStation and short circuited my Xbox. And that day I learned the importance of power surges. All right. Like the outlets. I was hurt that day. All right. Pain. But everything else about thunderstorms and rainy nights, I love it. Rainy nights.
Let's do it one more time.
Love a rainy night.
Give me a great big one right here. Oh, give me the Branson special now. I say, yeah,
Oh, rate the solo. I give the solo like a 7 point something, like 7.3. It was decent. You know what I'm saying? It was decent. It wasn't bad, all right, by any metric. But it was kind of like there a little bit for me. It wasn't like one of them, oh, yeah, I got to listen to that guitar solo again. So I give it like I'll say like a 7.2-ish. Y'all let me know what y'all give it, though. Rainy night.
Thank you, everybody. I had a great time. Thank you.
Yo, listen. Hey, that's me right there. Haha, look at the boy. But anyway, Eddie Rabbitt with I Love a Rainy Night. This is definitely one of them songs I could get down with. Because, Eddie, I feel the same way. I feel the same way, bro. I feel it. But, listen. If y'all love rainy nights, I love the sun out, too. But if I'm going to be inside, I prefer it to rain outside, right? But if I'm going to be outside, obviously, I don't want the rain. So I kind of put it like that, bro. I remember sitting in the garage, power out, seeing how far you could spit. Y'all may not have done that. We did that, though. Sit in the garage with it pouring raining. And I still never learned how to spit, though, bro. So how some people could and do that, I can't do that. I was literally just out there, bro. But I enjoy the rain. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this down below. Make sure you drop your crown because, well, you're an MVP. And MVPs watch the whole vids. And you deserve crowns, all right? But until next time, we out of here.